What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. Today I'm going to show you some of my affiliate marketing strategies. Just let me check here to read if I have some comments, and we are ready to go. So these are my affiliate marketing results. I have $62 in unpaid earnings, and if I click on payouts, so I'm making commissions every single month, and I'm trying to increase the percentage of conversion, so to see if I can increase, for example, these sales and make more money every single month. And I'm going to give you all the details, all the things that I'm doing. So basically, I'm utilizing YouTube to drive traffic to my affiliate offers, and I have as well a funnel. So a sales funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. And basically, so as you may know, that we as an affiliate marketer, if we send traffic to our affiliate links, and you can go, for example, to clickbank.com, Digistore24, JVSU, share a sale, to find products to promote, and if someone buys through your affiliate link, you can get commissions. But it's important to build a system around that product so we can collect the leads or the email before sending that person to our affiliate offer. Why? So basically, so let's say that this is my affiliate link, and it's important to build a capture page before sending people to our affiliate offer. So some people like to just send traffic to the affiliate link, and you can make commissions that way. But the problem with that strategy is that sometimes, like these companies that we are promoting, so they can shut down their affiliate programs, and that is going to be really difficult if you want to scale your affiliate business. Because let's say that you are creating content and driving traffic to your affiliate link, and if that company shut down their affiliate program, so do your affiliate links, they are not going to work. That is why it's important to build this capture page. So here I have all my traffic strategies. I'm learning on how to write on the screen. So traffic strategies. So you can use two types of traffic strategies: paid traffic strategies like Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, TikTok, Instagram ads, and free traffic strategies like content creation, creating YouTube videos, TikTok Reels, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, all that good stuff. And paid traffic strategies are paying ads, basically. So, and we need to build this capture page, because when we send traffic to this capture page, we're going to capture here an email. And the email, this is a person so this is like our prospect, and it's important to capture this information, because once we capture the email, we can promote multiple affiliate products and offers. Now, then it's important to build a nurturing sequence. So these are emails, and inside of the emails, we can put our affiliate links to send all the people who are inside of our email list to the same affiliate offer, for example, in email number 1, number 2, number 3. And also we can go to the affiliate marketplaces to find products to promote and build this entire ecosystem of products. So that is basically what I'm doing with affiliate marketing. So I'm promoting, I have a main core offer, and I'm collecting emails, I'm collecting leads, and I'm sending emails every single day to my email list. And as well, I have all these supporting offers. So I'm promoting like 10, 12 affiliate products, like softwares, high ticket products like Legendary Marketer, Freedom Accelerator. I'm promoting love ticket products as well. I'm promoting all kinds of products, and that is because I'm collecting emails. So, and as an affiliate marketer, we need to work every single day on increase that number, the number of emails that, which is basically the number of prospects. So those are people that want more information about the products that we are promoting. So let me show you quickly. I'm going to click on automation to show you the nurturing sequence. So these are emails that I wrote previously, and when people, so they opting in their information, so they will get access to, so they like enter my own ecosystem of products, and this software is going to start sending all these emails automatically. So check this out. These are all the emails. So when someone subscribes to this list, this software is going to send these 2 emails. Then it's going to wait for 1 day to send the email number 2. It's going to wait for another day to send the email number 3, and so on and so forth. I have all these emails, and inside of the emails, I'm promoting, for example, my YouTube channel. I'm promoting the 72-hour challenge, secrets of success. This is a value email, so I don't have any links inside of this email. I'm promoting here. So this is an email to give a free course. So I'm giving value to my email list. So I start to promote here products and trainings, and that is basically what we need to do for our affiliate marketing business, collecting emails and build this nurturing sequence. So I'm going to give you all the updates to increase my percentage of the conversions. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video,